To protect all your personally created designs and elements in the software, it is a good idea to do a backup in the event of a computer crash where your computer can't be revived. It is also a good idea to back up certain items so they can be transferred to a second computer. That way they don't need to be recreated. Usually these files are protected in the event of an uninstall, reinstall, or when you update to a new version. Your first step in backing up is to create a backup folder and name the folder. Remember to create a folder, just click on New Folder. Within that folder, create several other folders. Borders are the borders that you've created in the monogram folder. Designs are those that you have personally created and saved in your My Designs folder or your My Cutting folder, any of the designs that you have created in the software. Fabric backgrounds are those fabrics that you have scanned and saved as a fabric background in your My Pictures fabric folder. Fonts are the keyboard lettering collections that you have mapped. Monogram templates are those templates that you've saved as a custom template in the monogramming program. Motifs are the custom patterns that you have created for creating pattern stamps, pattern fills, and pattern outlines. RES contains a number of folders. One is Auto Fabrics. These are special fabrics that you have created in File, Manage Fabrics. Blocks are your personal quilt blocks. Fabrics are the fabrics that you have imported or scanned into the Quilter program. Hoops are any custom hoops that you have created. Thread charts are personal thread charts that you have created and saved, or any thread charts that you've altered from those built into the software. So this would include any charts where you've added thread colors or edited thread colors. Stamps are those carving stamps that you have created, and templates are any templates that you have created. Now let's talk about where these are found in your software. Many of the items that need to be backed up are found in the program data file. Let's talk about 3 of these that will not be found in the program data file. First of all, designs. So any designs that are in your embroidery and not public embroidery should be saved in the backup folder. The monogram templates that you have saved are found in the C drive, Users, Public Embroidery, BERNINA Embroidery 9, and Monogram Template Designs. There's a custom folder that will include any of the monogram templates that you have saved. Another group that you will find in the Public folder is not under Public Embroidery, but under Public Pictures, and this would be BERNINA 9 Pictures and the Fabric folder. If you have scanned in any personal fabrics to use as a background, that is where you would find these. Others are going to be found in your program data file. So go to Program Data under C drive, find BERNINA Embroidery, and here you'll find the rest of the folders. So here you'll find borders, the fonts, the motifs. You'll find the RES folder with all the folders in it that you need to back up. You'll find stamps and you'll find templates. So to copy from the software to your personal backup folder, I have not backed up my stamps yet. Here's my folder. I've gone to the program data file where the stamps are located. I'm going to select it. I will right click and select copy, then come over to my USB stick stamp folder and right click and select paste. Now if you're going from your USB stick to another computer, you would open up each folder one by one. The one that I am going to use to demonstrate is I have custom borders that I've created and they're not in my current software. So I'm going to select these. I'll right click and select copy and then come over to my software side and right click and select paste. So the idea is that you can move your personal files from your computer to a backup drive, and then from that backup drive to a second computer. You'll want to be sure that you revisit this as you create new designs. Make it a habit to check once a month for any additional designs you have created. If there is any doubt about whether to back up a folder or file, back it up so you'll have it if you need it.